welcome to Motor Vision, your go-to channel for the latest automotive news. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a modern revival of an iconic classic that beautifully blends vintage style with advanced technology. The original Karmann Ghia, first introduced in 1955, was known for its sleek, elegant design. Volkswagen has masterfully reimagined this in the 2025 version, preserving its timeless curves while giving it a contemporary twist. The front features LED headlights seamlessly integrated into a sculpted hood, and the bold grille enhances its sporty character. The smooth lines and aerodynamic shape not only pay homage to the classic model, but also improve performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the new Karmann Ghia offers two powerful engine options. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 250 horsepower, delivering a spirited driving experience. For those craving more power, there's a 3.0-liter V6 engine generating 350 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and dynamic acceleration. Volkswagen is also offering a hybrid version, appealing to eco-conscious drivers who want efficiency without compromising performance. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia merges retro charm with modern luxury. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and a minimalist dashboard layout. A 10-inch touchscreen takes center stage, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, and the premium audio system ensures an immersive sound experience. Safety is paramount in the new Karmann Ghia, which comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to enhance safety and convenience during every journey. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just about style and power, it's also practical. The interior offers ample legroom and a spacious trunk, making it suitable for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Volkswagen has truly honored the legacy of the Karmann Ghia while embracing the future of automotive design and technology. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting automotive reviews and updates.